So I thought I'd do a quick video this morning. I started getting a couple of views on the very first one, and that was encouraging. So I said, okay, let me keep this up. I'm going to find, testing around my house, I'm trying to find good spots where I can shoot. Some of these I want to shoot out when I go on location. As a matter of fact, I'm meeting tomorrow with a producer who is putting together some fundraising packages, and he hired me to shoot and edit. So that's kind of interesting. I haven't done that in years, shot for somebody. Most of the time when I shoot, it's a project that I'm directing or a project that I'm doing for a client. So actually he is a client, but I'm doing it as a DP, which I haven't done in years. So it's really interesting. I had a pretty good size audition last night for a show on Netflix, and playing a preacher. I get called out for a lot of preachers and politicians and military guys. So as far as the production goes that I'm going to be helping this guy out with, I am going to try to do what I normally do to some degree in preparation. And this is just a little tip. Some of these little tips I'm going to give out also as I come up with them, as I actually use them. I'm going to continue to talk about the normal stuff that I started in the first video, you know, how I got into this business and why I stay in this business. But I always start with what I call a list of lists. So I'm going to be working on that today, right after I get over this video, putting a list of all the lists that he needs to generate, or he needs to get me to generate, or I think he has a couple of PAs that he's working with also. So all the pre-production, when you're doing, you know, no budget, very micro budget films, all the pre-production doesn't cost you anything, but it helps you tremendously. So getting organized is the first step. You don't pay anything for that. You just plan everything you're going to do. You know, like I said, my technique, you can modify it for yourself. Years ago, I probably got this from somebody, and I modified it to fit myself and my needs. A list of lists. You can make your general list of all the things you need for the production, all the lists you need to create for the production. It actually comes from the old school method of creating a strip board for a film. That's where I think I got this idea from. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I just want to do this little quick video. This might be a good location for me to shoot down here, and the reason I'm trying to find these different locations to do the videos around my home is because I don't want to have any excuses not to talk and continue to add content to this YouTube channel. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.